Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder made by Dienes of Germany. Model number unknown, but it's very close to a 915. The difference with the 915 would be that the 915 is in plain wood and doesn't have these decorative steel corners. This one, as you can see, is painted orange, and that's an original factory painted colour. This is a Solida model, which is the Dienes name for the better quality bearing, and in this model and by this time that means a ball bearing mechanism. So test is as it always is. We're going to take 7 grams of coffee beans. We're going to set the grinder to its finest setting, which means with the burrs just touching, so around there, and we're going to see how the grinder does, both for speed and consistency of grind. So a medium pace grinder there. That was 7 grams of beans in around about 50 turns of the handle. Let's have a look at the grind. Well, I don't know if you can see, that is a super fine powdery grind. So of course, if we slacken the adjuster, we're going to be able to adjust our grind and dial in the grinder to whatever our coffee maker requires. Thank you very much for watching. That's a 1930s Dienes Solida model. Feel free to have a look at the links in the description and at the end of the video, and happy grinding.